Hey guys, what's up? Now let's do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the color I have is the green color. This phone has a 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. So here's the box of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And the box of this phone is very slim because on this box we does not get any charger or any hand-free. On the back we have nothing as you can see. And the Samsung S22 Ultra is costing around 2,86,000 PKR. Now let's see that what is Samsung has to offer in this phone. And the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a flagship phone from Samsung, and this is the best smartphone as of now from Samsung. So now let's open this box without any wasting time. And this phone also available in the black, white and burgundy. This is the green color of the S22 Ultra. So on the top we have our device, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now let's start the phone from this box like this, and you can see here is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra looks like in the green color. On the back we have a Gorilla Gorilla Glass, and you can see on the back we have quad cameras, and the design language of this phone is boxier, and you can see from the edges this phone looks like a Note 22 Ultra, but Samsung merged the S series and Note series into one series. Now it called as Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So now I'm gonna just put the side here. Now let's see what else we get, and then the phone. So we have simulation tool inside this thing. We have a quick start guide, and you can see also we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and you can see, and that's about it. No hand-free, no charger in the box. We also have Samsung Care Plus with the S22 Ultra. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the S22 Ultra. And guys, now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a SIM tray, USB Type-C port, speaker and a S Pen. This phone also has a S Pen. Again, with the S22 series we have S Pen built into your phone. So on the left hand side we have a antenna bands. This phone has a armor aluminum frame. Now let's see the SIM tray. You can use 2 nano SIMs at the same time. No micro SD card support on this phone. On the top we have noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. And you can see on the back we have quad cameras. We have a 108 megapixel main camera, f1.8 aperture with optical image stabilization. Also we have 12 megapixel ultra wide. We also have a 10 megapixel which is a telephoto lens which give you a 3x optical zoom with optical image stabilization. We also have another telephoto lens as well which give you a 10x optical zoom with optical image stabilization as well. Laser autofocus with LED flash, and you can see on the back we does not have any camera bump. Instead we have a separate lenses on the back, and you can see which looks really beautiful. I gotta say that, and the green color of this phone looks really nice, but I prefer the black color of this phone. Now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.8 inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED LTPO with 120Hz refresh rate. This phone has a 1750 nits of brightness. On the front we have a Gorilla Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. This phone also has a curved display which is not really aggressive on this phone. This phone is give you a really premium feel. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 45W fast charging support. Again, in the box we does not get any chargers. So on the top we also have a punch hole on this phone. So now let's quickly start up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone has a gorgeous display. Also, the brightness on this phone is really high. I never seen this phone that has this brightness level. So here is the notification area on this phone. This phone also has a wireless charging. We also have IP68 water and dust resistance. This phone also has a reverse wireless charging as well. Again, we have S Pen on this phone. Let me show you how is the S Pen work. So here is the S Pen looks like, and you can see S Pen is in this matte black color which looks really good. You can use your phone like this. Also you can take notes. You can see you can take notes. So that's really good thing. And the S Pen latency is about 2.8 milliseconds. Now let's do the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner speed it is also really fast on this phone. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 219 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go to the software information. This phone is running on Android 12 right out the box. That's really good thing. We have Android 12. Also we have Samsung One UI version 4.1, and Samsung is promising 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security updates, which we don't see from any other brand in the Android world. Now let's go to the display. When you disable this auto brightness, we have extra brightness option on this phone now, and the display it is much brighter as compared to before. The display it is really bright on this phone. Now let's go to the motion smoothness. We have 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a LTPO refresh rate, which can go from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz depending on your screen usage. We also have 60 Hz modes on this phone. Again, we have 5000 mAh battery size, and the weight balance of this phone is done really well. And this model is the Snapdragon model. This phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with a 12 GB of RAM. In other regions, we have Exynos 2200. In the Pakistan market, we have the Snapdragon model. So now let's look at the camera. And the camera of this phone is the main highlight. So here is your normal, and here is your ultra wide. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have 3x zoom on this phone. We also have a 10x, and you can see, which is a optical zoom which go all the way up to 100x. We also have 108 megapixel mode. We also have a portrait mode. Let's see with the recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot 8K at 24 fps. We also have 4K 60 fps, full HD 60 fps, and the ultra wide lens also record 4K at 60 fps. And the 4K 60 fps also available with the 3x optical zoom, with the 10x optical zoom as well. So that's really good thing. Also we have optical image stabilization in the main camera. So we also have an ultra steady mode, which give you a much better video stabilization as compared to your normal mode. Again, we have optical image stabilization. So now let's go to the mode section. We also have pro mode. We also have pro video mode, single take, night mode, which is available with all the lenses. We also have a super slow motion. We also have a slow motion. We also have portrait video mode, which give you a background blur. So that's really good thing. On the back, we also have a director view, and you can see in which you can record videos from the back as well as with the front facing camera at the same time. So now let's look at the front camera. And guys, on the front we have a 14 megapixel selfie camera. On the front we also have a portrait mode. The front camera also shoot 4K at 60 fps. That's really good thing. Night mode also available with the front facing camera, and the slow motion also available with the front facing camera. All those things it is available on this phone, and the camera performance on this phone is the best in the Android world. So again, we have 5000 mAh battery size with a 45 watt fast charging support. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And more videos regarding the S22 Ultra is also coming soon, and stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.